Hello friends, in this video I am going to solve exercise question from book Topics in Algebra. Question is, let G be a finite abelian group of order of G, and suppose the integer n is relatively prime to order of group G. Then we have to prove that every element G in group G can be written as G equals to x to the power n with some element x in group G. To prove this result, we will follow the given hint, which says that consider the mapping phi from group G to group G defined by phi of y is equal to y to the power n, and prove that this mapping is an isomorphism of G onto G. So we will start our proof. Here G is a finite abelian group and let order of G is m. Now suppose an integer n such that n and m are relatively prime, that is n and order of group G are relatively prime, means their GCD is 1. Now following the hint, consider the map phi from group G to itself such that phi of y is equal to y to the power n for all elements y in group G. Now we have to prove that this map phi is an isomorphism. To show phi is an isomorphism, we will show that phi is a homomorphism and 1 1 onto map. So we will do that. To prove phi is a homomorphism, consider any two elements, say A and B in group G. Then we have phi of AB is equal to AB to the power n. This thing follows from definition of phi. Now as our group G is abelian group, so AB to the power n will be equal to A to the power n and B to the power n. We have proved this result in one of my previous videos. You can check that. Link is given in the description. Now A to the power n will be phi of A and B to the power n will be phi of B. So we get phi of AB is equal to phi of A, phi of B, and therefore phi is a homomorphism. Next, to prove phi is 1 1, we will show that kernel of phi is singleton identity element. So what is kernel phi? Kernel phi is set of all those elements G in group G such that phi of G is equal to identity, means all those elements in group G which get mapped to the identity element of group G under phi. So let A is any arbitrary element in kernel phi. Then from definition of kernel phi we have phi of A will be equal to identity, that is A to the power n will be equal to identity since phi of A is A to the power n. Now if this thing will happen, we must have order of element A will divide n. This thing follows from Lagrange theorem. Now also we have from Lagrange theorem order of A will divide order of group G, that is order of A will divide m. Then we have order of A will divide GCD of mn, since order of A is a common divisor of m and n, so it will divide greatest common divisor of m and n. But we know that GCD of m and n is 1, therefore order of A will be divisor of 1, and thus we must have order of A will be equal to 1. Now in a group G we know that only element whose order is 1 is the identity element, and therefore A will be equal to identity element of a group G. Now as A is any arbitrary element in kernel phi and we get that A is equal to identity element, so kernel phi will be singleton identity, and therefore map phi is a 1 1 map. Next, to show phi is onto, for any element say x equals to y to the power n in G, there will exist element y in group G such that phi of y equals to y to the power n equal to x, and therefore clearly phi will be an onto map. And therefore from one, 2 and 3 we have the map phi from group G to group G such that for all elements y in group G, phi of y is equal to y to the power n is an isomorphism. Therefore, every element of group G is in association with some g to the power n in G, and thus for every element G in group G, that G can be written as G equals to x to the power n for some element x in group G. This thing happens because of the isomorphism phi, and therefore this proves our result.